Okay, so I wanted to show you something that I have been using and loving lately. These LANSIRY laundry detergent sheets are it for me. Now, first off, you don't have to lug those big, heavy plastic bottles, and not to even mention all of the plastic waste. Now, they come in little sheets like this. One of these sheets, like one half, will do your load for you. Just throw one in there in your washing machine and you are done. Now, if you're doing like a big load or something really big, like when I wash comforters, I will use 2 of these. One box is going to give you 80. They smell good. They are so much easier to store, and it's such a cost-effective way to do your laundry. You have no waste. Everything is good. I am someone who has used these several times, so let me tell you, yes, they dissolve all the way. Like once you put them in your washing machine, you don't have any like film or mess or any way. And they work in both cold and warm water, which I love, so I can use them on any colors that I am trying to clean. Also, my husband is allergic to a lot of different like laundry soaps. He doesn't have any reactions at all to this. His eczema doesn't flare up, no itching, no irritation. It's all good. So if you're looking for laundry sheets for your home, I found the perfect ones for you.